Hi everyone, we will now provide you a complete Photoshop tutorial for beginners. This will help you to build projects and edit photos in the easiest way possible. Stay with us till the end to learn more. You can download Photoshop free version from Get Into My PC, just click on it and you can easily download Photoshop from here. Now once you have downloaded the Photoshop, I already have a new downloaded version, just open it and something like this will appear. I have some default in Photoshop so it is showing blank here, but you won't get it like this. Now after this main requirement can be fulfilled, from top toolbar and go to new. Here you will get this screen after pressing new. This is the area from where you can choose the size of your canvas. Canvas in editing term is the area where all work is done. You can consider it like page on which you will make or edit photos, etc. You can choose the size of your canvas or page from here. There are multiple options like above. You can see that mobile screen size or web page size, etc. I have already worked on it, so I have some recent pages saved that are showing here. You can adjust the size like height, width, etc. from here, and can also choose the scale you want to work with. You can change these settings. When you click create, a blank page of white color will appear, so if you want any other color you can choose from here. Then click create. Once you click create, this screen will appear. It can take a longer time if your computer is slow. This is the main or major area where you will work. It is extremely important to understand all the tools over here, and we will learn everything in detail. Do subscribe to my channel to get the best content on editing. On your extreme left is a major toolbar. This toolbar help in every aspect, for example selecting object, selecting some part of image, brushing, writing text, making gradients, choosing color, etc. that we will learn further, but it is an important toolbar. So do learn it completely. On your extreme right is another important bar that contain layer. First understand what is layer. For example, you create an image that contains cloud, car, sky and house. Now you create all these 4 objects on different pages. These pages can be considered as layer, and these layer combined gives an image or scene. You can duplicate this new layer but just dragging it to the plus option. To can create a new layer and work on it. It has same background as below, as it is the copy of previous, and if you just press plus button you get a layer with no background, and background of the layer below it will be shown. Basically canvas showing the mixture of all these layer. Let's paint something on it using brush tool. We will learn it in detail further. For now just understand layers. I have painted on this new layer and see we just get the brush area seen, as the background will remain white because the other layer is painted white. You can hide or unhide a layer using this I button. From here you can reduce image opacity and fill to make it lighter or to show the layer below it. Okay. You can choose different blending modes from here. But for now leave it aside. We will study it later on moving further. Layer can be locked or unlocked using this button or lock symbol. If you lock a layer it will not move and you cannot work on it either. You need to create a new layer by clicking on plus. You can also put these 2 into a group or folder. When working with a lot of layers in a project it will help you the most. Just click the layer you want to put in a folder and hold Ctrl key on keyboard, then press either Ctrl G or just this folder sign. I have just hide the group layer and create a new layer, and now canvas is just showing the new layer. You can now paint on this layer. This is the channel mode where you can hide or reduce red, blue or green color, as these 3 colors make any color, so reducing opacity or hiding one can change the color saturation of your layer or image. This is the path. On the top of this working area you see a toolbar. This bar is basically used for changing any specification of the things in the left toolbar, like size of brush, etc. And for example if I click text you can change the font size and other specification of this tool here. On the extreme above are the important option where you can change layer specification or add any filter. These are most important key things that we will learn in detail in the next video. Thanks for watching this basic tutorial. See you in the next video, and yeah, please do subscribe.